Welcome to JH. Menswear.com is yet another online store claiming to be a fashion paradise for both men and women, supposedly stocking everything from trendy clothes to sparkling jewelry. It sounds like a dream, but in reality, it's more of a digital fever dream. When we checked Trustpilot, we found exactly one review, and it wasn't exactly a love letter. The customer reported that the items they received looked absolutely nothing like the website photos. And since everything ships from China, you'll probably be retired by the time the package actually arrives. But hey, who doesn't love a surprise mystery box that takes 3 months to show up? The site boldly claims to have years of experience, yet their domain registration tells a different story, showing it was only registered in August 2025. I didn't realize we were shopping in the future, but that's quite an impressive feat of time travel for a clothing brand. Then we have the generous discounts, featuring 80% off everything plus extra savings if you buy more. Because nothing screams high-end quality like selling your entire inventory for the price of a ham sandwich. It's a classic high-pressure tactic designed to make you click buy before your common sense has a chance to kick in. To make matters even shadier, every single product image on the site is shamelessly stolen from the internet. They couldn't even be bothered to take a blurry iPhone photo of their own stock, likely because the stock doesn't actually exist. If your order goes sideways, your only hope is an email address, as there is no phone number or live chat to be found. Good luck getting a reply from a void that only speaks in automated templates. So, is Menswear.com legit? With a fake history, stolen photos, and suspicious prices, I'd say stay far away unless you enjoy donating your hard-earned money to strangers. Thanks for sticking around until the end. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reality checks. You know I've got you covered.